What's the criteria for the sheriff to take the report? What are the two things?
What is the report?
What is your concerning report? I can help you today.
What are the two criteria?
That's not right. That's irrelevant. Okay?
How is it irrelevant?
Because it does nothing to do with your investigation. Because you didn't tell us a crime. That's why. We're going to tell the sheriff.
What's the crime?
What is the crime report?
And it's in part embezzlement.
Okay.
Of who, where, why? I mean, what do you give us? Just the word embezzlement? What happened? Who are your players?
Do I have an information? Someone writing down information on it?
No, we're asking you.
We're asking
So you're just
you
normal
information.
guys just asking me questions. I'm saying
No, we're
I'm
not
going to
normal
file a
guys.
report. What happens is
We're asking you about the
Is there
report.
a report
Fine. You
comes up,
said
takes
you
the
said
report.
embezzlement.
I want to know the crime.
So is the report is embezzlement? Who else? Do you have a suspect? I'd love to take a report. Who's the suspect? Who's the victim?
Are you writing it down? Let's
No,
see.
I'm dismissing myself.
You're dismissing yourself?
Yeah. I know
Well,
what
you just said you'd love to take the report.
You're not giving us information. What's the information? Embezzlement on who, where, what? You're not giving us anything. You want, but you're not giving. So what do you want me to do? Call the sheriff? She wants the embezzlement report at someplace in St. Pete? No. We tried. I tried to be polite. I tried to do everything you wanted. I said I'll give you a
I'm
report.
not finding it to be the
And
case.
you were asking questions that you were not answering about the report. All you want to do is how can the sheriff
I'm asking you if you're taking
and
the
I gave you my
report.
answer.
We got to know what report.
What
You haven't
report?
gave us no crime.
No, a guy shows up, he takes the report, and then you investigate.
No.
That's how it works.
What report need to be taken? You haven't told me anything.
I just told you embezzlement. Yes, I did. I told you that.
What happened?
Are you taking a report?
If I think there's a crime committed, I might take a report. But if I don't know what's going on, I'm not going to sit here and write down stuff if I say there's no crime. That's why you haven't told us anything about what's going on.
Embezzlement is a crime.
Okay, what happened?
784 point something, like 22 or something.
No,
Says
what
that embezzlement
happened?
crime. It appears that over several years, money that, so I'm going to give you an example so it's easier to understand.
No, I want to know what happened to you. I don't want to hear an example. What happened to you to make you think that there's a crime that's been committed that I need to take a report on? What happened?
Embezzlement
Okay,
of funds. So there's a special district.
the main special district.
Okay, so Disney is a special district. What happened so that you understand?
So Orlando.
No, and this isn't about Disney. This is about a special district. I'm using that as an example so you understand what a
No,
special
I don't want to
district
hear an example. I want to know what happened to you.
So funds were embezzled. The location is a special district.
Okay, where at?
In the special district. So
Okay, I'm through too. I'm asking where. You can't tell me where. Ma'am, if you want to talk to somebody, you go talk to the Water Police Department. The Water Police Department can
they
take care
happen
of
in
it.
Clearwater.
They can take the initial report, they can transfer it to St. Pete. If they feel
Now, you guys do it. They don't have anything to do with it. You would transfer it to St. Pete.
It's called mutual aid. They can do it.
You can do it, mutual
Okay,
aid.
I'm not going to go. You won't say what happened. You keep
I'm trying to.
I've asked you 4 times what happened. And each
Embezzlement.
time you give me an example or you send a special district.
But you said
I'm
you
not
didn't know what a
mandating.
special district was.
You didn't tell me where a special district
I
was.
tried.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
said
and you
what
cut
happened.
me off.
Okay.
No, not okay. And now you're blaming me for it because you don't want to take the report.
You sat on this phone for an hour and talked to at least 3 different agencies. I listened to you. Each one of those
Then why don't you
agencies-
know what a special district is? Because I
I know
told
what
them.
you're saying, and you talk. I know I've been there for
how
an
do we
hour.
get there to do this report?
Pardon me?
Tell me the district of the report. What's the special
Rupert J. Smith Law Library.
We're trying to help you.
Now,
We want to do the report.
also, it has to do, that's the special district.
And where's that at?
That is in Fort Pierce. Now, it is run by Everlove Associations, which is in St. Pete. Now, Everlove is owned by Nora Everlove. She lives in St. Pete. She has, if you go to property appraiser, she has an address there. You go to Sunbiz, or so you can look up her Sunbiz on the Everlove Associations. It's in St. Pete. I'm just telling you these. I don't know why you're saying that.
Because we don't have this. It's irrelevant.
I'm sorry?
It's irrelevant information. We're still asking you about the crime.
You said where it happened. I'm telling you where it happened. It's not relative.
What's the address?
You are very argumentative, and there's a reason for it, and I don't like
They
it.
don't talk to me anymore. Thank you.
I was talking to him.
Don't talk anymore. Thank you.
Okay, so
What? Can I help you in any kind of way?
so what
You're being
was
complicated.
embezzled?
Pardon?
What was embezzled?
Funds. And I assume it was about $10 million over a period of years.
From who?
From commingled funds, also those, they admitted to that, and you can see that documentation to show that. So, what
So $10 million from you.
No, this is an approximation on the funds. It's not exact. I
From
think
you?
no,
From who?
the clerk's office. They get their funds, it's important to understand
Are you a
this.
victim in this crime?
Yes.
How?
Because they use their law books, and they don't have them because they're embezzling the funds instead, which harms my ability to have the law.
Are the law books in this library?
Oh, no, it has nothing to do with this library.
What?
Nothing at all. It's a different library. It's the Rupert J. Smith Library.
And where?
I'm sorry to interrupt,
And-
man.
and
It's
where
not
is that?
embezzlement.
It is in Fort Pierce, but she, the lady who runs it, is literally here in St. Pete. I understand the complications with this, but nonetheless, that's the layout.
So she runs the, who runs the library? The clerk's office.
No, they have nothing to do with it. This is a special district. It was set up special, it's a law. Okay, so they went in this, can I explain the Disney part so it'll help you understand it? You know how Disney has special tax
I
laws?
understand that.
They did that through it being a special district.
I understand that.
Okay, so Rupert, if you looked up Rupert J. Smith,
Why don't
in
you look up
Florida
embezzlement, the word
statutes,
embezzlement?
you're not talking to me,
You
right?
just answered me. Look up the word
I'm not
embezzlement.
asking
That's
for
library.
anything.
Shut up, crowd.
So what do you have to do with this crime of embezzlement?
I'm a victim of it. I'm a victim.
How?
Actually, are you saying that if I'm not, let's say that you and your wife are standing out there, and I see her shoot you. Now, I'm not a victim of this crime, but I can still report it,
Don't
can't
talk about shooting
I?
cops up in here, man. No, don't say that.
I
Don't
can
shoot
still report
cops.
it, right? Because I
You
saw it.
understand?
So it's this.
You hear me, lady? You don't talk about shooting cops up in here.
No, man. Unless the clerks of the
Record
court
that.
want to do a report of it, let them do it.
No, the clerks have nothing to do with it.
Okay, you just said the clerk of the court, the library is owned by the clerk of the court.
No, I didn't say that, and it is not. It is a special district.
Okay, well,
It is-
unless the special district want to make a report or
The
their.
special district is embezzling funds from it. They are the ones
from
doing
who?
it.
From the Rupert
From
J.
the-
whatever?
Yeah,
Okay, well, someone,
I'm doing-
spokesman for Rupert J. need to make the report.
they're
Not
the
you.
ones that are embezzling the funds from what I can tell. They are the ones doing it. It is
Well-
the Chief Judge, Charles Schwab. It is the judge that he assigned as the president of the board. His name is Judge Lynn. And it is it appears to be at least several of the
Well-
people who work there.
Well, number one,
You just
you're
don't
not the
want
victim.
to.
No,
I
you're
am
not the
a
victim.
victim. I
You're
don't
not a
have to be
You're not
to
a-
report it.
No, well,
If
we're
I
not
see
doing a report.
a man shooting his wife,
That is.
I can
That's
report
different.
that.
That's different.
That's something.
It's not different. So you're refusing to take, it's called misconduct, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it called police misconduct when you refuse?
Oh, misinformation.
Yes, it is. If you're refusing to take it, what's your name, Thornton?
Corporal Thornton. Corporal Thornton.
Corporal
Yes,
Thornton?
yes.
Thank you.
You're not a victim of a crime. No crime occurred here. We don't know of any crime, and it might.
I'm telling you,
and
it did.
probably
I
gonna be
have
worse.
proof.
And it's probably going to go down as a civil matter. From what you're telling me, it seems
It's
more of
not
a civil
civil.
matter
It's
than
not,
criminal matter.
no. These are crimes under statutes. You know, when you look at statutes,
I know
it's
statutes.
under crimes, okay?
Can you
So-
prove that crime? That occurred?
Yeah, I can prove the crime that it occurred.
And you have a paperwork showing.
I have paperwork
money
showing.
being transferred.
Can we see
I
it?
have the bank account, I have,
And how did you get the bank account information?
well, actually, because they gave it, they put it out there, so, you know,
I'll take your
whatever.
address. You have not gonna start the investigation.
Say it again?
Hold on, we're not doing an investigation.
Oh, okay.
We're not doing an investigation.
Sorry.
If you want to go to St. Pete, where Rupert J is at, you can go there, but we're not going
You
to.
understand that this is police misconduct for you to refuse to take the report.
If you say that, but I don't see there's a crime, I don't see where you're a victim of a crime.
I don't have to be the victim, and I told you
I'm sorry
that I
that
am,
you and
if
I
they're stealing books, so I
disagree.
can't use them, or they're
That's right.
stealing the funds, so that I can't, they're not purchasing the books, so that I can't represent my case. There are huge amounts of, I mean, it violates my access to the courts, it violates my right to
So
a
the
fair
books
trial.
aren't here, neither?
No, this is fine, we're not talking about this.
Okay,
Law like
can
that.
you locate the books here? Are the books in this
Are
library?
you saying that
Okay,
because they're
now answer
stealing
my
it
question,
somewhere
ma'am.
else?
I'm saying, are the books here at this location? Yes or no?
Are you okay with this criminal activity? Is that why you're refusing?
I don't see there's criminal
I
activity.
just told you there wasn't. I told you I could prove it.
Well,
You're
I
refusing to
can't
take a
prove it.
report.
I'm not taking a report.
Yeah, you're refusing to take a report.
I'm not taking a report.
You're refusing, right?
If that's what you want to call it.
I
I'm
think
saying I
that's
don't
what
see
it's
where there's a
called.
crime is committed. There's
Huh?
no crime. You have books in, the library is here for you to use. If you want to use the books here, that's fine.
Okay, so I'm telling you that I can prove that they're commingling funds and
You're
they're
not a
embezzling.
victim, you're not a part of that situation, period.
So I'm not allowed to report crimes when I see them?
There's not a crime.
I'm telling you there is.
Absolutely.
I'm saying that you're being incompetent.
I appreciate you calling me incompetent. You have a great day.
You want to take it?
No, ma'am. Deputy Miss Rudy,